Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Sliding blocks with a compressed spring might look tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's find the total kinetic energy change.
Initially, the two blocks move together at a constant speed, meaning the system has translational kinetic energy. The compressed spring also stores potential energy that is ready to be released soon.
When the string breaks, that stored elastic potential energy converts into additional kinetic energy as the spring pushes the blocks apart. This internal force does positive work on the entire system. Since friction is negligible, mechanical energy is conserved. Converting potential energy into motion increases total kinetic energy, making option B the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.